I'm in college today and the weather is absolutely gorgeous, and I thought that because I'm feeling so much love for NIFT, let me talk about 5 wonderful things about NIFT. So the first thing that I really love about NIFT is how inclusive and diverse it is. I know so many people from so many different parts of this country now, from so many different sexual orientations and genders, and it's such an inclusive place where you can be exactly who you are and people will accept you for it, and you will also find like-minded people around in this campus. Thing that I really appreciate about NIFT is how fashion forward it is, and obviously NIFT is going to be fashion forward. But I've actually seen a lot of undergrads coming into the PMGC lab and they just construct garments for themselves, and those are like their outfits now, and that is such a unique and impressive skill to have, to like practically be able to wear the things that you have created in college. One thing that I really appreciate about this campus is how ingrained it is with culture. So there's a very prominent NIFT culture, a NIFTian way of being, and it's passed on from like I don't know how many years, but every single undergrad that I have met has this inside of them to call their seniors sir and ma'am even when they are not present. I know people who have literally saved people's numbers as like whatever their name is with ma'am and sir, and that's like real respect that people have for their seniors, which is truly impressive to have because I haven't seen that in any other institution. The fourth thing that I love about NIFT is how there's absolutely no spoon feeding. Your professors will give you an assignment, give you instructions on what is to be done, and then whatever you do is based on you and your group, and they will not spoon feed you. They will just be like, this is what is asked of you and hope you show up well. In this system of learning, I also feel like you end up finding out so many more things about how to actually execute things in the practical world. It's not just an assignment for college. It's actually something which is so close to the real world. And the fifth thing obviously has to be the dynamic campus life. We have Spectrum, we have Converge, we have so many events and competitions and so much fun stuff that keeps happening here at NIFT. I'm just feeling a lot of love for this institution today. And if NIFT is your dream college, I fully relate and I fully understand why, and I think that NIFT is still worth it. NIFT is still incredible.